The ARCCAPTAIN Mig205MP Welder offers an impressive 9-in-1 functionality, making it versatile for a wide range of welding tasks, from home projects to industrial repairs. With its innovative app control, users can easily adjust parameters, monitor in real time, and access troubleshooting guides, enhancing convenience and efficiency. A large LED display ensures clear visibility of welding settings, and the smart parameter matching system simplifies operation, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Advanced parameter controls are available for experienced users, allowing customization of welding settings across various modes, with dual voltage design offering flexibility in power sources. The welder boasts a high performance with a duty cycle of 60% and supports both DC lift TIG and DC HF TIG torches, catering to diverse welding needs. Safety is prioritized with dual cooling fans, VRD functionality, and comprehensive protection systems, ensuring reliable and secure operation.